Okay, so now it's time for exercise 5. In this figure, okay, in this questions, POQ is a straight line. So let's look at this one. Okay, POQ is a straight line. So when mentioned about the straight line, you need to think about that this angle should be equals to 180 degree. 180 degree. Okay. So let me remind you, okay, this one should be 180 degree. And okay, for part A, it asks you to find angles POS. Okay, POS, that means this one. It asks you to find out this one, POS. And you know that, okay, POS should be equals to 3x plus 5x. And the question is, we do not know the x, okay, what's the numbers for the x, so we try to calculate the x. Alright, so in this time, first of all, we can use the acceleration angles on the straight lines to calculate the x, and we write down for part A, because in this times angles, okay, we only say that, okay, 3x plus 5x plus 4x equals to 180 degree. And don't forget to write down adjacent angles on straight line, and it should be equals to 180 degree. And so you, in this time, we can come up with an algebraic equation, 3x plus 5x plus 4x equals to 180 degree. And this one at the left hand side, 3 plus 5 plus 4 equals to 12. Okay, so we write down 12x equals to 180 degree. And if we want to find out the answer for x, so we transfer 12 to the right hand side, x equals to 180 degree divided by 12, and x equals to, okay, equals to 15 after my calculation. All right, and because the question asks us to find out the angles for POX, and as I mentioned before, POX equals to this one, the angles with purple, okay, so it equals to 3x plus 5x. all right, so 3x plus 5x equals to 8x, and 8 times 15, that means we try to substitute 15 into this x, and 8 multiplies 15, so it equals to 120. Okay, 120 degree. Okay, you need to calculate it by yourself. Okay, and we finished part A, so let's look at part B. Part B, in this time, it tells you POT, okay, angles POT, it equals to 60, okay, 60 degree, and it gives you one questions, is angle SOT, okay, is SOT a straight line? This one, I give you SOT. It asks you whether SOT is a straight line. So in this terms, I guess you may think about, after my observation, I think SOT should be a straight line. However, in mathematics, we cannot only say something by our observation, we need to prove it. Okay, you need to write down the step to prove that SOT is a straight line. So let's think about how to prove that SOT is a straight line. That means we try to find out the angles of SOT. If the angle for SOT equals to 180 degree, so that means SOT is a straight line. Okay, so let's write it down. Okay, for part B, okay, so because SOT, that means SOT SOT equals to AX, okay, AX, that means the purple one, plus 60, okay, angles POT, okay, so write down angles SOT equals to angles POS plus angles POT, and because angles POS we calculated before, that should be equals to 120, okay, from here. And for angles POT, the question tells us that it should be 60, okay, 60 degree, and 120 degree plus 60 degree equals to 180 degree. All right, 180 degree. So in these terms, if we find out that, okay, angles SOT equals to 180 degree, and we need to write down SOT is a straight line. Okay, SOT is a straight line. All right. So that's all for exercise 5.